In this video, we will show the best CCTV cameras available to buy. At number 8. Godrej Security CCTV Camera. Be it day or night, at home or away, you can ensure that your home and loved ones stay secure with see-through HD home surveillance system from Godrej. What's more, you can view the video feed on your laptop via internet and even on your smartphone via a mobile application. So now you realize, keeping your family safe. At number 7. CP plus CCTV Camera. It is a full-pack combo which does not require any other components. You can watch live from all cameras together in a single monitor connected to the DVR or through the laptop or mobile Android, Apple from anywhere in the world. You can also record it from anywhere. At number 6. ProElite CCTV Camera. You should have Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi dongle for camera to work. Once camera is configured to Wi-Fi, then you can watch live video or SD card recorded videos in your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in world. At number 5. D-Link CCTV Camera. Excellent quality camera. In night vision seeing top most. Connected using cat land cable using V-balloon. This is also suitable for car. So you can recording records everything from front and back of the car by this camera. At number 4. FINICKY-WORLD CCTV Camera. Night vision up to 16 feet, never miss a moment, day or night, with visibility up to 16 feet in complete darkness. Communicate with family, friends and your pets on mobile devices, talk to the camera or listen to camera, there is no distance to communicate with anyone. At number 3. D3D CCTV Camera. Are you worried about the safety and security of your home and family? Not anymore. View the live video of your home and talk to family members anytime on your mobile phone or PC by this CCTV camera. At number 2. ThinkValue CCTV Camera. When it comes to security of your family, choose nothing but the best. ThinkValue CCTV Wi-Fi cameras are here to make your life easy with power-packed feature cameras. This camera can records images and videos at multiple storage levels to make your day-to-day life happy and easy. At number 1. Sricam SP Series CCTV Camera. This camera has microphone and speaker, so you can talk to your pet, baby, elder lively and listen to their voice remotely. And you can use up to 128 GB micro SD card to record and playback video and audio.